And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz in Typeform. So first things first, go ahead and open your Typeform, and here we're going to create a new form by clicking this one here, and we're going to start from the scratch, of course. Now you can name your form however you want, but I'm going to name it the title of this video. Now once you're done, you're just going to go ahead and click this one, and we're going to choose quiz because that's what we're doing for today. Click continue. Alright, and then this is very important here. We're going to add a question first. So this is where they're going to be putting their name. So for example, here, your question here, instead of having that, we're going to try to put here full name. And we're going to instruct them to put in capital letters. And then for the description, this is how they're going to start. So family name and then first name. We're going to make it this one. Alright, just like that. And then you have to make sure that you are going to require this one. And for number 2, this is where we are going to start putting the questions. So for example, I have here some basic questions. Alright, there you go. And then for the question here, we're using multiple choice again. So I'm just going to type here some choices that I have. And then you're just going to click the enter on your keyboard in order to have another choice. So I'm just going to leave it at 3 options. And once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this one. Alright, there you go. But you have to make sure, by the way, that you're going to require this one and then randomize. We're going to go back here and we're going to type another question. Alright, there you go. And still the same thing. I want you to change this option. So I'm going to start with cheetah, chameleon, and kangaroo. Alright, there you go. So that's amazing. Required and randomized. You have to make sure that you have always checked this one. And last but not least, I'm just going to add one more question in here. So the question is going to be like this. Alright, and then we can delete this one in order for us to have 3 choices. So yeah, we have already come up with these questions. Now the next thing that we're going to do is add some scores in here. So the way we're going to do that is by clicking the logic, and then we're going to click quiz and scoring and score quiz. So we're going to assign points according to the right answer for these. For example, the largest mammal here is going to be a blue whale, and then we're just going to add 0 in here. For the animal that can change its color, it's going to be chameleon, so 0, 0 for the others. Fastest animal on land, so cheetah, 0, 0. And then we're going to click save. Alright, so it seems like we have already added. Now we're going to try to publish this one, and we're going to try to take the quiz ourselves. So we're going to copy the link here, and then we're going to open another one. This is an incognito browser. So yes, we have this one here. It means that we have to answer this. So we're going to try, so family name, I'm going to try it with go. Alright, and then click OK. Now we're going to try answering. So largest mammal, we're going to choose a blue whale. Animal can change its color, chameleon. And then fastest animal, cheetah. And submit. Alright, so we are already done with this one. Let's go back here and click the results in order for us to see if it works. So click responses. And we have here, as you can see, this is Go Kim, and it was made in November 17 at 10:54, which is the time right now. So let's try to check here. So as you can see, the score is right. It managed to appear in here, so that means it is a success. And congratulations, everybody. That's how you're going to create a quiz in Typeform.